Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel. You guys came to the right spot. If this is your first time here, my name is Kevin. Welcome. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. In this video, I want to teach you guys how to get 4,000 watch time hours quicker. Alright, let's do this. In it to win it. I take it that you're a small YouTuber and just started a channel like myself, and you just want to get those 4,000 watch time hours as soon as you can. I know it's tough, it's not easy. The struggle's real, man. But don't you worry, I'm here to help you. You have came to the right channel. I have 5 tips and tricks that I want to show you so that you can succeed like me. I have 6 tips for you guys. Stay tuned. First, you want to open up as many tabs and browsers as you can of your videos playing at the same time. As many as your computer can handle. My computer's about 13 years old, so it's gonna lag a little. I like to use this internet browser called Opera. It allows me to open up many tabs without lagging my computer too much. And it also has VPN. So in this Opera internet browser, I have 12 tabs open. So if 12 tabs are open, 12 videos are playing right now at the same time. So 12 tabs times 1 minute equals 12 minutes are playing at the same time. So there's a multiplier effect. The more tabs you have open, the more minutes you get. And the more minutes you get, the faster you'll gain your watch time hours. I wouldn't call this cheating, but it works. And as you can see, I have already ads playing in the videos. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have 20 videos playing. In 1 minute, I have 20 minutes of watch time already. So in 3 minutes, I have 1 hour of watch time. So that's pretty good. So this is one of the best effective way of getting your watch time hours. Sorry, my computer is a bit laggy, but you get the idea. Tip number 2. You should watch your own playlist, either on the way to work or school, or at school or work, or on the way home. Just watch your own videos, watch that playlist. Get those minutes. Or even go to a public library, just log in all those computers, just put it in, and gain those minutes. Even at your friend's house, log in their computer, just play your video. And even put it on Facebook, Instagram, spread the word, spread it out there. Tell your friends and family to watch your videos, get those minutes. Tip number 3, you want to have a good title with a good topic. They go hand in hand together. You want to produce good content with a good title that everyone will want to watch. Here's an example that you should not do. Something like, watch me take out the garbage. Who the hell is going to watch that? Nobody. They don't know who the hell I am. But if you put something like, watch how Kim Kardashian take out the trash. Oh yeah, I would watch that. You would probably too. Or something like, I just bought the first Tesla Cybertruck. Wow, that's awesome. Or even like, unboxing video of the new iPhone 12, gold plated with diamonds. Boom. That's something you want to put in your title. Something that's big and well known, that everyone wants a piece of it. That everyone is interested in watching it. A title that would benefit other people or what they want to see on YouTube. Tip number 4. You want to have a good thumbnail that attracts the viewer. You want the viewer to click your video so they can give you minutes or even hours. You want to grab their attention. If you don't have a good thumbnail, they won't bother to click your video. So it's very important you have a good thumbnail. Tip number 5. You want to create a video that's about 10 minutes long. Roughly about 20% of the video will be watched and the remaining will be skipped. But sometimes it's hard to create content that good to even last 10 minutes. Even for me, I'm a shy guy, I don't really like to talk. I don't know what to say most of the time. Just have to BS. But the video that helped me the most was that I created a 21-minute unboxing video. That's where I generated most of my watch time for me to succeed over 4,000 hours. Tip number 6. You have to upload lots of videos per week. One video per week does not cut it. So you want to pump out as many videos as you can. It's like handing out e-flyers online but on YouTube. You want to spam YouTube. You want people to find you, and that's how you get views and that's how you get watch time. Tip number 7, a bonus tip for you guys. You want to talk very slow. I'm just kidding, don't do that. People probably just unsubscribe you right there. I hope these tips work for you and hope you all achieve your 4,000 watch time hours soon. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out.